YouTube is a video sharing platform that allows content creators to create, upload, and share their videos with the world. To monetize their content, creators must meet specific requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program. One of the biggest requirements to monetize a YouTube channel has always been to have 1,000 subscribers. However, YouTube recently lowered its monetization requirement to just 500 subscribers. This new change has sparked a lot of chatter in the YouTube community, and in the next 3 minutes, we'll be discussing the reasons for the drop in subscribers and its impact. First, we need to understand that YouTube is a video sharing platform that rewards creators for creating engaging, informative, and entertaining content. To encourage more creators, the platform has now lowered its monetization requirements to allow more people to monetize their channel. This new change also supports the company's overall goal of encouraging more creators to join the YouTube community and start creating content. Moreover, this change is necessary in light of the recent economic downturn caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Many people lost their jobs and businesses closed due to the recession. Therefore, people who already have a YouTube channel with many subscribers who have lost a lot of viewers can no longer afford good internet. To get around this, YouTube needs to lower its requirements to allow more people to join and help the global economy grow a bit more. With the new 500 subscriber threshold, many creators can now monetize their channel and monetize their content. This lower subscriber threshold also means YouTube can expand its revenue base by attracting more creators who can add value to the platform and help grow it. However, some are concerned that a lower threshold could lead to the emergence of many spam channels where creators create low-quality and irrelevant content solely for the purpose of making money. This is a reasonable concern, as it can lead to substandard content on the platform. Therefore, it is important that YouTube takes steps to prevent spam chains from forming. The new 500 subscriber threshold also means more competition on the platform. Now, creators will have to work harder and spend more time creating quality content that stands out from the crowd if they want to grow their channel and attract more subscribers. This will lead to higher quality content on the platform as creators strive to provide value to their audience. The new lower threshold also means new creators can take advantage of the opportunity to monetize their content, helping to fund their projects and grow their channels. This helps talented individuals who have struggled to monetize their channels due to high demand to finally make a living with their creative endeavors. In summary, lowering YouTube's monetization threshold to 500 subscribers is a step in the right direction. The economic realities of the pandemic and the fact that more people are creating content make it imperative that more people monetize their channels. In addition, a lower threshold means more creativity on the platform, more competition, and ultimately higher quality content produced on the platform. YouTube also needs to ensure that the platform remains spam-free and that creators aim to create quality content that provides value to their audience. With this in mind, YouTube's future looks even brighter. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.